Go.
If you fall, you're falling on me.
You go. Ah!
What you got there?
Well, I've got this pull-up bar that was sent to me by Evolve Over, and it's advertised as the safest pull-up bar in the world. Why is it safest pull-up bar in the world? Well, apparently it can take up to 200 kilograms. So I've got the bar, I've got a doorway. I think we should put it to the test.
Cool. Have we got 200 kilograms though?
Yeah.
Right, let's open it. I hope it's not going to break that door frame.
Look at that, it looks like, you know, it looks
that?
like those awesome prosthetic limbs, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really, it looks pretty sturdy.
Feel the weight of that.
Oh! Oh god.
Oh, I've already damaged the door.
You're joking?
No.
It's already broken.
Hold on, does the door even close now? Door still closes, panic over. What's up?
Stop.
Literally took 5 minutes once I read the instructions, but don't tell anybody. First test then, I guess, is my own body weight. Why am I nervous? Ready?
Because it's a... Oh god, if you go flying, I'm gonna die.
It didn't work, I'm a bit winded.
I just turned it off because I was worried I had to come over and help you.
Oh.
You're right.
Well, the review so far is not good. This could end up being a pretty short video because the thing is, we can't do that any tighter.
Look at that, it's actually cracked it.
And this side.
Oh.
That'll wipe off, I reckon. Maybe not.
Great. So now I've got a blue door and a cracked door.
And an injured boyfriend.
And a winded boyfriend.
I've been on the Evolve Over Instagram page now that I can breathe again, and nobody's having a problem with it. Everyone's doing crazy pull-ups and stuff. So, we can't give up really, can we? So what we've done is...
padded it out.
Padded it out, just in case, safety first. And I've moved it from this bit of the door frame to the middle bit of the door frame, because I think there's maybe a bit more surface area. And I've I mean, I can't twist it and tighten it any more than what it is. It's locked in place. This is angling downwards as it should be.
I'm scared.
Oh, you're scared? I'm doing it.
I have to watch it. I've got trust issues with this bar.
You got your phone ready just in case we need to call an ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh!
Feet are off the floor.
Get in! Oh my god. Are you nervous? I'm not shaking because I'm struggling, I'm shaking because I'm scared.
Ooh. It doesn't look like it's moving very far, to
Didn't
be
even
fair.
wobble, did it? So it worked.
No injuries.
No injuries. Can still breathe. Brilliant. Test number 2 is gonna be me and Amber. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. No, it's cracking. Ah! It did it. I'm losing grip. It did it. Ah.
I'm good.
My hand's broken. The hand's broken. It actually worked out that I'm 86 kg and Amber's 63, so together we're 149 kilograms. Didn't even move. So after throwing me on the floor, first attempt, I think it's actually down to me. I should have timed it up properly. But now that's just taken 150 kg. What else can we find?
Hello.
Hello, mate. Where are you? I need your weight. How much do you weigh?
Just under 13 stone.
Okay, I need you.
Why?
I've got a pull-up bar that needs testing. So Ads, first impressions of it?
Looks like an artificial leg.
It does. That's what I said when I got out of the box.
Oh.
Scary, isn't it?
It does have a little bar, that's a bit.
Okay, right, so we've done it with me and Amber, which was 140 kilograms. So now, I'm gonna do it with me and Adam, which he weighs 83 kilograms.
Oh,
I'm
pure
80,
muscle.
Pure muscle.
Pure muscle.
And I'm 86. I can't work out in my head just yet, but it's more than what me and Amber are. Before we do it though, leave a comment. Do you think we are going to survive, or do you think it's going to fall down and we're going to have to rush to hospital?
Do you think we need the pillows basically back on the floor? Good idea.
What's going to happen?
Either I hang and you hang next to me, but our lips are going to be very close to each other, which does make me feel nervous. Or I can hang and you
Why
get
don't
on
you
my back.
hang and I'll wrap my legs around
Yeah,
you?
do that.
Yeah, that's what we done yesterday.
I'll
Innit?
do so then. I just want to make sure we're not
Right.
touching tips.
Naked.
No? Clothes? Not clothes?
Clothes on.
Clothes.
Definitely clothes on.
You go first. I want to see how much it goes, because I know you've been eating recently.
Oh, it moved.
A lot of movement there.
I'm ready when you are.
Ready?
Up, off.
Oh my god! I didn't even come off the ground!
That's happened twice now! How much is that though, you and me?
I didn't even take my feet off the ground.
Did you not? You want to try again?
We'll like do it here, so then we mark the wall again.
Okay, let's try it again. Okay, we're ready for take 2. I mean, that is as tight as it can go. Look, you see the plastic here is even bending. That is proper tight. This is a decent test. Adam's checking himself out in preparation. You've got to look good in case you fall over. Am I right?
Okay, you do get all them viewers, don't you?
Yeah, all 3 of them. 2 of them are mum and dad.
It's a moment of
This
truth.
is where it fell last time, and my feet were firmly on the ground. Okay, go!
You are gonna take this door frame off.
Oh, for God's sake!
Oh my god, look at the mark it's made now.
I think that's it. That's the end of the test.
Right, okay, moral of the story is it doesn't hold the weight that we thought it was gonna hold. Does it?
I mean, I'm impressed, but it doesn't do 200 kilograms.
I've just got a brain injury.
Claim here.
Oh dear.
Let's blame the claim. So now that you've been battered by the pull-up bar, what's your honest review?
It's probably suitable for one person,
Mm.
but I can't.
Would you ever use it without a crash mat on the floor though?
No. It's not safe. It's not safe. And they can expect a claim coming their way.
Right, so what's my verdict for this pull-up bar? Do I think it's any good? Should you avoid it? Do I think you should buy it? Well, I think it depends. Now, I know we tested it to its limits. You know, we tried to put 200 kilograms on it, which it said it could handle, and it didn't. Having said that though, in its defense, I couldn't get the full purchase of this on the wall, so the full surface area couldn't push against it. So maybe on a flat surface, or a bigger surface, sorry, it would work better. I don't know. I don't really have access to that. I don't like where the brackets are because they're right where you want your hands to be. Now I know there are bigger versions. If you've got a bigger doorway, you probably won't have that problem, but it is right where you want your hands to be, which is a little bit annoying. But having said all of that, if you are starting out and you want to train at home, maybe you don't want to go to the gym yet, maybe you're a bit self-conscious or anything like that, you know, whatever your reason, and you're just starting out and you're not over, say, 150 kilograms, then this is actually a pretty good purchase. It's sturdy, it's durable, I don't think you have any problems with it. So I'm 86 kilograms. And I think if I wanted to, I could quite easily use this every single day. If you did want to buy one from Evolve Over, then you can go onto their website, which I'll put in the first line in the description, and you can use my discount code, which I think is TG, but I'll double check, and that will get you a discount on one of these. I give honest reviews on this channel, and I hope that my advice is gonna be worthwhile. So I'm still gonna encourage you to shop around and read reviews and things, despite the fact that, you know, I do have the discount code for you. I want to be as honest as possible, so you can take advantage of it if you want. As I say, I think it's a decent product. Jump down in the comments if you do purchase one. Let us know what you think. So I would also encourage you to do that, maybe someone who is starting out, maybe they don't have the money for a pull-up bar, you can always use things like banisters, tables, any sort of ledge, a tree branch. These sorts of things are great as pull-up bars. So if you don't have the funds to buy yourself a pull-up bar that you can use in your home, like this one from Evolve Over, then you can use things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.